Hey y'all, Matt here from Bobcat Bonsai, and today we're going to open up a box from my good friend Dave Harding. He sent me a Ginko tree and some seeds so that I can get involved with his Ginko Fest. So, let's get to it. Alright, so super hot outside today, and I was just out playing with Story for a while, and then the package showed up, so now I'm in the kitchen. I'm going to open up the nice little package here. So Dave sent me a nice little note. It says, "Hey Matt, thanks for being part of this fun project. I hope the seedling grows well for you. I'm excited to see what you do with it. Talk to you soon. Best wishes, Dave. And good luck with the seeds." Thanks, Dave. Dave also sent me some cool stickers. Can't wait to get those all set up and on my board in the greenhouse. We got the seeds all wrapped up in here. Very nice, very nice. And now to the tree. Here we go, through the bags. Excellent. So the nice thing is me and Dave actually live so close that this tree wasn't in packaging very long, so it's had plenty of time to well, it didn't have plenty of time to be in the dark, and our climates aren't too different from each other. So I'm gonna get it out, put it under the shade of my crabapple tree, and we'll catch back up with it here in a little bit.
Alright, so we've had the tree here for a little bit, and we're going to begin the styling. And the option I've come down to for this one is going to be the Kazumiki or Cosmic Bonsai style. So with this style, you actually just let the tree grow out as long as you can to let it grow its natural taper. And all we're doing with it the whole time is just giving it just crazy spins. So I'm going to leave the wire nice and loose because this tree is extremely flexible right now, which is awesome. It makes working with it way easier. I don't have to worry about any cracks or breaks or anything like that. And then all we're going to do is give it just like some crazy little twists here. So we're just going to continue these crazy little twists, and then you let it just grow out in this shape. And that is, right now it looks like an informal upright, but as the branches grow in and stuff also, you just let them keep growing longer and longer, and all the branches are going to have like these weird twists and turns to them. You just gotta keep it moving in like an out of this world type of look. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you check out Dave Harding, because without him I wouldn't have this little tree to play with. Alright, catch you on the next one.